This is a wonderful clock by Daniel Delander. It was made in about 1710, and the case has gone through a bit of a history. Somewhere along the line, I think it was the collector's wife, didn't like another black case coming into the house, and so he had it painted green. The next owner had the sense to put it back, because you could see in the fruitwood underneath it had been black originally, so it's been put back to its original before it came into the collection. But it's a most amazing piece of work. You can see or hear it ticking away, and it's a duplex escapement, and that's a complicated way of saying that it goes a tick, pauses, then goes a tock, and moves forward 2 seconds. But on the second dial here, you can actually see it pause and then move forward. And the second dial then has to be engraved in 2-second intervals. So instead of having 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc., which is normal on a second dial, this has 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Completely different, but it's a lovely, gentle, slow tick, tock, tick, tock. Beautiful. Wonderful clock, Daniel Delander, duplex escapement. May even be his first duplex escapement. It's certainly a very early one.